What I wish I knew at 16 instead of 26. These 5 money-saving hacks. 1. Ditch the daily coffee run. Brew your own at home and save nearly $1,000 a year. Plus, you can make it exactly the way you like it. 1. Unsubscribe from unnecessary subscriptions. Do you really need 5 streaming services? Trim it down and watch your savings grow. 1. Cook in bulk. Meal prepping not only saves you money, but time too. And who doesn't love a week's worth of delicious home-cooked meals ready to go? 1. Shop secondhand. Thrift stores and online marketplaces are gold mines for unique finds at bargain prices. Your wallet and the planet will thank you. 1. Use cashback apps. Getting rewarded for spending money you'd already spend? Yes, please? It's like getting paid to shop. Try these hacks and watch your savings skyrocket. Follow for more tips and tricks to live your best life on a budget. Happy saving!